Hi, it's Heineken with you. Today we're gonna try to change the back cover of my Gigaset Me Pro. I put it to the freezer for 20 minutes and then I tested Antutu, got 90,000 score, but unfortunately glass was broken after. So I have ordered some parts, maybe you will be interested in. Of course it's original cover. Also, maybe you see it has CC logo. It's for German model because my phone was made for China market. I've also ordered a back cover. It's original one. You can see how it passes on the phone. Only $7. That's like this. It's made exactly same size as phone. It doesn't move out. It's almost perfect. Costs this money. So the main task is to open the back case. Okay, let's see. First of all, we need pot hook. I can use such this one. Yep. Then we need heater. And now we try to heat the back cover. Should be careful because it has some parts on it. Also finger sensor. Okay. Let's heat it. I'll do it around 300 degrees. Okay, without using screwdriver and going to screw some bolts, I found that I can push on the sensor and move it out from cover. So this is the old cover. If you can read, it has CCC. It's China standard, and this one is for German market. So let's see how it's covered. Oh, you don't need anything. You just have to clean the old glue and put the cover because it has everything on it. Okay. There is also piece of glue for sensor. It's coming together. You can buy this on Taobao. I bought it for $25. So that's it. Let's see if it will be working after. Thank you very much. Okay, now I cleaned the phone. Here we have old cover. See, it was somehow broken in two pieces, but also when I was removing it, it doesn't broke anymore. Strange. It's pretty elastic. I don't know why it was broken. Maybe only because of temperature, maybe because the phone has fallen a few times on asphalt. But anyway, we have new cover. So I put new glue on the key. Let's see the phone itself. It has 3,875 milliampere hours. That can be 4,000. If you look at the phone, it has very good quality. It's complete made from metal. All those pieces are antennas. It's a solid piece. It's not like a Mizu or Xiaomi plastic shit. Yes, I call it. And only what remains is to put back cover on it. So everything is on case. Just do like this. Okay, everything what remains is just to close. Oh wait, missing one part. Something for camera. Hold on. Okay, the metal ring of camera is not coming with the new cover, so we have to use the old one. Now push it. And I've got new phone. That's it.